So I'm going to remove all this. We're gonna set up this monitor and we're gonna see how it looks. And then I wanna show you guys as well in this vlog, I wanna show you what I'm actually going to be ordering. I'm gonna order it today with you guys viewing, so that way you can see the process of this. Setup upgrades. So fair warning, this room is an absolute mess right now. I'm talking like a mess. Like, you guys are gonna be pretty tilted. I'll just show you real quick. We'll just get this out of the way right away. A lot of YouTubers, especially tech people, they'll make you seem like everything's all fine and dandy. Behind the camera, it is an absolute cesspool of unorganization and stuff, things being around. But the good news from this is I have finally figured out what I'm gonna do with like this whole setup, and it is going to be epic. But first today I gotta get this 4K monitor out of the box so that way I can start testing this. Welcome back to another vlog, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so we have some plans moving forward to try a couple videos with some companies. One of the video ideas as well is working with the lovely folks over at Asus. You guys know that we've worked with them in the past. And when it comes to monitors, I don't think there's really any other company that's like doing, like, I know we're like into different brands and whatnot, but I think we can agree to say that there's nobody really doing monitors like Asus is in terms of gaming options, then design, creative solutions, like very professional stuff, to like middle, lower grade things, or portable ones as well. Also, by the way, this is not a paid like video today. This is just, I don't even know if I'm supposed to be showing you this. I'm gonna be completely honest. I have no idea if I'm supposed to be showing like today, like, hey, I have this, but here we are. But yeah, we have some plans moving forward to test a couple of their things. And while we are getting ready to make this final decision and build this ultimate setup for me, this and some of the other stuff planned, not only with Asus, but some other companies that we are talking to, is going to play a huge role in how epic this is going to be. Spoiler alert, yes, I decided to separate the setups. Right now, they're not separated, hence the mess. Ouch, ouch, ouch. What the hell? A splinter from the floor, because there's so much shit everywhere. I hope I'm doing this right. I don't think I am. What are we getting stuck on here? There we go. Dude, every time I unbox an Asus thing, I feel like I'm like diving into like a spaceship. Their stuff is always just so insanely cool to look at. Would you just look at it? I could watch videos all day of just people doing this. Okay, so this is the part of the video for anybody who's been watching for a long time where the memes will come into play. Like, really, dude? Really? For now, because I wanna test this bad boy out, this 4K gaming monitor. I've been playing a lot of games off stream. I also lowered the resolution to my stream because I want a nice gaming experience. It's part of who I am. I am a gamer. That is what I've made the majority of my content in relation to, is being a gamer. And then at times I found myself sacrificing my gaming experience for other stuff, for being a creative. But in those situations as well, like as a creative, I like a minimal, clean aesthetic to my workspace. Ultra wide feel, get the job done, bada bing, bada boom, in and out, good to go. You guys have been on this journey for some time, so you'll know when I say that I've been trying to build this ultimate setup for me. So moving forward, I think, let me know what you guys think. I mean, this is what's going down. We extending the desk outwards to give myself a little platform to where I could put a 4K gaming monitor, a little side monitor, putting a Twitch chat, stuff like that there, have the stream set up in this area where the camera is currently standing, put the ultra wide back on the wall, have my monitors mounted back on the wall, nice, clean, editing workspace here with one PC and then moving into the world of dual PC streaming and a dual PC setup, one for creative, one for gaming. Mind blown, right? Like, it's a lot. We wouldn't be able to do this stuff if it wasn't for collaborations with people like Asus and Sword Gaming. Again, not a plug. I'm not supposed to be telling you that. I'm just telling you how it is. Them giving me an opportunity to work with them is what allows me this creative freedom to create such an environment that works on a day-by-day basis for me. So what we're gonna have to do today, I'm gonna try to explain this to you guys if you don't know. First and foremost, we have to accept that the next few weeks are gonna be extremely messy in this environment because I'm missing two very important things. The extra part of my desk and an entirely new gaming build. So it's kind of like one of those things, we gotta work with what we have, and what we have is plenty to work with. But you guys, the viewers, are just gonna have to deal with some shitty shit for a while. We have to take off this monitor here. We're gonna remove the arm because when I do have the final setup, I would like to move the arm up at least like 2 or 3 inches so that way I have some good clearance on the desk. So I'm going to remove all this. We're gonna set up this monitor and we're gonna see how it looks. And then I wanna show you guys as well in this vlog, I wanna show you what I'm actually going to be ordering. I'm gonna order it today with you guys viewing so that way you can see the process of this. Setup upgrades. Hello, dear. How are you feeling?
Okay.
Megan is leaving me this weekend. Are you like, you think you're ever gonna come back, or? Might be a possibility. We'll see. Another monitor came in today.
Yay. Let's add to the collection.
Megan's really not about the, well, I mean, she's not a complainer, right? We're very grateful that people send us stuff, but as a homeowner and as my spouse, she doesn't enjoy all the stuff that is in here. And I don't know what to do with some of the extra stuff. But yeah, Megan is going to Ohio this weekend. The Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War beta is out, so I want to get a lot of content for that. I was receiving these products as well, and then I just have a lot of things, a lot of goals for myself. What are you doing, packing all your snacks?
Yeah, all of my snacks.
Your cooler backpack, eh?
Gotta bring the hydration.
Oh, G Fuel. Oh my gosh. Speaking of which, I got an extra batch of G Fuel hydration.
You know, I want the dragon fruit one. I've been waiting for it.
Megan is actually going to be taking her first road trip in her new vehicle. I have not shown them yet.
Well, better do it now.
No, I don't want to yet. It's your vehicle. You enjoy it for the time being. We will show them in one of the later vlogs. You guys can wait on that shit. Okay, the plans have already changed in the midst of today's video. So I set up the monitor on the desk over here, right? And due to the depth of the desk and my mouse pad, it was just very awkward because the stand to this monitor here is really thick. So like the depth of the monitor versus the depth of the desk just didn't line up. So for the momentarily, for the time being, since I know this isn't gonna be like the like forever thing, at least I don't think it is. You guys let me know in a second when I show you. I had a genius idea for today, just something to deal with to get the job done. So hear me out, follow me along here. I have this desk laying around, right? Well, not laying around, this is what I kind of like work on. Whenever I replace keycaps or kind of have to do something or unbox something, I use this desk, which it needs cleaned. But I thought, okay, for the time being, since I don't have the extra wood piece, and if you guys didn't know earlier, that's what I meant. Like I have this long wooden desk here, and I'm gonna buy like 4 or 5 more feet, and I'm going to have to cut in here to match, but put those 2 pieces together to have a nice big L-shaped setup, because I never really use this back wall. That's the storage closet for inventory and stuff. So if I could have lights just sit back there, that'd be perfect. So although at this current point in time, I don't have 2 PCs, what I'm able to do, since I do have an extra Asus ZenBook Pro Duo laptop, is I'm gonna put the laptop over there in the back. For now, that is going to run the ultra wide that I'm gonna mount back up on here before I take the arm down. And then we are gonna set up all the gaming stuff, the computer, everything right here, because over the next couple months, I'm gonna be having to tear up and tear down anyways. Basically right now, I'm gonna have to deal with some kind of unorganized, like it's still gonna be usable, it's still gonna be like nice. I'm still gonna have amazing gear to work with, but I'm not gonna be able to have everything cable managed and floating arms and just it look pristine. But by the end of this year, we might at least have like an ultimate upgrade setup, something that like I can seriously just like, the whole plan, the whole reasoning behind all of this is to have that environment that every single day I can just come in here and do my thing. So I've been trying with like many monitors. I've been trying with minimalizing to one monitor. I've tried a single PC setup. I've tried utilizing laptops and stuff. I think this will be the great thing for me. A station connected, a nice work environment with my gaming area to where I can kind of kick back or stream and interact with you guys. And then my workstation where I can run my live stream. I can edit videos. So today I'm gonna get this ghetto setup, as I call it, together. We're gonna mount these speakers back up. I'm gonna move a lot of this stuff over here, including the computer, and then we should be able to game the beta this weekend on 4K, 144 hertz. What is life right now? I apologize for not really being able to bring you along the process. I had to get stuff really done today, but it's like set up. So this is what I was trying to explain. Right now, since I only have one computer, I'm gonna have to like edit and create here, but I did set up this monitor, at least just mount it for now with the laptop over there. So this week I can go ahead and just kind of work in that environment. There are obviously some things I gotta get going, but here's how it looks so far. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys think that this is gonna be just kind of like a nice balance. So I'll be gaming here, editing here, but for now, we're gonna be doing obviously everything here. Let me know what you think, comments down below. All right, so it's been an interesting weekend without Megan here. It's actually like 2 days later, by the way, if you guys can't tell. Time travel in one video, multiple days. But Megan's been gone. She'll be coming home today. Ooh, Fazeberry, new dragon fruit. So real quick, what I got from G Fuel was their hydration line. I actually do drink G Fuel a lot, but what a lot of people don't know is it's usually this stuff, believe it or not. I'm not somebody who can drink caffeine all day, and sometimes I do like a refreshing taste of something. The G Fuel hydration line, which I don't know why we don't talk about this more. This is extremely underrated. Electrolytes, focus, vitamins. But the G Fuel hydration is actually what I consume most of the time on a daily basis to just have some electrolytes and something refreshing to drink while I game or work. I think I'm gonna make me a batch right now. Okay, so what I want to do with you guys today, the objective of today's video, I want to bring you along kind of like the process of what I would do in my situations. So in this scenario, I have this nice hardwood desk and I have this nice blacktop desk as well, but they don't really match. But with the plan of moving forward and it being like a clean setup and managing cables and just like the ultimate setup for me, I want it to match. It's just a personal preference, nothing against anyone. So let's dive into the sites that I'm looking at and the thoughts in my head in this situation. With the thickness of the desk included, the height is at like 31 inches from the ground. So as I'm gaming for long hours, I like to have my arms parallel, and it's actually really good for you to do so. And with the height of the desk, I have to have like my arms out sideways, and I don't like raising my chair all the way up. I don't know, it's just like, it's a comfort thing. If I'm gaming, typically I'm gonna be there for a long time. So that's a little higher than I like. Now my Ikea desk setup video that I did, the Ikea Alex drawers that I got and the like sawhorse legs, I love the height on it. It's actually what I'm using right now, and where I'm currently sitting, I'm comfortable with my legs and my ass on the chair, and my arms sit on the desk so I can comfortably game. So the plan is just offsetting the two heights. Just keep the main big desk at the same level it's at, and then just put this one at a lower level. And then I plan on like grooving out the new desk for the gaming area, so that way they fit snug and look custom and kind of have like a step up look as well. So what I did here is I hopped over to Ikea. I checked out how tall the Alex drawers were. I went over to Amazon, and since I'm gonna use the drawers on one side, I'm just gonna get a couple just basic legs to put as support on the inside. I wanna match the design that I had before, so I planned on doing some kind of like, I don't know, fancy square stuff like this right here. And then I got into a debate with myself. At first I was like, well, I can just go to Ikea and get a desktop that looks similar to this one. And it's probably just cheaper, right? I can probably just go there and use that. So I hopped over to Ikea. We're on here at the website. Now this is 74 inches long, out of stock. A lot of things are out of stock right now. But as you see, $190 for 74 inches of a fake wood countertop. So I went back to where I got my personal countertop, which was an 8-foot long butcher block countertop that had a live edge meaning like the side of the desk looks like it's just natural wood. Luckily for me, I only need 4 feet of a desktop for the gaming streaming area, which is perfect because they have that in stock right now. So when you break it down, to me, it's like $190 for a 74-inch fake wood desktop that would look different from what I currently have, or I spend $30 extra more to have a real wood top and it matches with the other one. For me, that expense is worth paying for. Now I understand for some people watching this video, and the point of this video isn't for you to build a budget setup, it's just showing you how I'm doing my thing so you guys can start researching yourself and build your own setups. For me, this is insanely worth it. I would gladly pay the extra $30 to get the setup that I genuinely want, that I want to come in here every day, and I'm just ecstatic to be working in this environment. So I think we're gonna go with the 4-foot matching hardwood butcher block countertop with live edge. I think for now, when I get the countertop in, I'm just gonna stick with the Alex drawer unit onto the left side, and then on the right side, putting these these like trussel black legs that I currently have, and see how heavy that countertop is on this setup. And if I wanna change it, if I don't like how sturdy this is with the new hardwood, I think what I'll do is I'll order a set of these 28-inch legs. I know that's an extra ½ inch, but then what I'll do is I'll just get some risers, some ½ inch risers to put on top of the Alex drawers, so that way the desk can just set up a little bit. But honestly, I think I can just use what I have. Then I'll have to get new legs for the black tabletop, the unboxing tabletop that will go back over in the corner of the room, where I can just kind of go over and review some things when I get them in. All right, so there you have it. That's the plans moving forward for the ultimate setup. Creative station, gaming streaming station. Lots of content to come, juggling 2 channels now. I have a gaming channel, by the way, if you didn't know, if you haven't seen any of that information in previous videos, but I'm pumped. We've got a lot of work to do over the course of the next couple months to get everything kind of rolling. Just a lot of things on my plate, but I'm excited. But anyways, guys, gals, that's all I got for you guys today. I'm out. Peace. Deuces. Gotta get to work. Edit this video. Bye.